Music lovers love to take music wherever they go. Let it be an outing, hiking, cycling, or party. A true music enthusiast takes music even if he must carry a prominent speaker. Moving a big speaker when going for an outdoor event is a hectic and challenging task. Music playback device manufacturers worldwide have come up with a great solution to this problem: portable Bluetooth speakers. These Bluetooth speakers produce excellent sound and they're easy to carry, which is why people love these speakers. Ultimate Ears is a great speaker manufacturer, and today we've chosen Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM portable waterproof Bluetooth speaker for you.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM is a small yet powerful and waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker that is suitable for personal use or partying with a small group of people. The speaker is made with high-quality plastics, fabrics, and rubbers to ensure its longevity. It's very lightweight, as it's got a weight of 14.88 ounces only, and you can hang the speaker on your travel bag or handle of your cycle. It has got control buttons on the speaker to control volume and music. The Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM delivers excellent music. It produces crystal clear voice, excellent bass, and high-res music. Listening to music with the speaker feels great. The speaker provides a 360-degree sound, which is fantastic. The sound is loud enough to bring life to a small gathering. The Bluetooth connectivity feature of this speaker is superb, and it covers an extended range of 100 feet. The speaker is IPX7 waterproof. You are free to take your Bluetooth speaker wherever you want without the fear of being damaged from water. You can connect to WONDERBOOM and it will produce an amazing stereo sound. The speaker comes with a long-lasting battery and delivers uninterrupted music for more than 10 hours on a single charge. It's time for us to look into the user reviews of this portable speaker and find out what customers are saying. The speaker has got 4.6 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 4,911 customer ratings. People like these portable speakers for Bluetooth connectivity, sound quality, durability, and battery life. Here are some comments from customers. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "The sound on this thing is really impressive. Really clear sound and nice bass for something so little. Plus, it can get really loud." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "Very impressed with the sound size ratio for this speaker. In fact, I dithered between 4 and 5 stars, but the sound for the size is so good, I went with 5. That's all we have on the Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM portable waterproof Bluetooth speaker for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.